morning everybody. So today we are on the tour of Bodh Gaya. I know yesterday's vlog ended abruptly. I did not do any outro in that, but today I am going to show you people a very interesting place, Bodh Gaya. It is also known as place of Lord Buddha. So let's go with me. Right now we are standing in the Tibetan temple where you have these 3 pillars here and 4 are right in front of me, where you have to just rotate all these pillars. So it is considered good if you are going to rotate all the pillars in this temple. And let me give you a tour of this temple now. The entrance right in front of me. Let's go inside and see what all they have. They have white clothes everywhere. Let me show you from inside. The gate is locked. This is the proper temple. They have all these gods picture everywhere, paintings and pictures, and that is the temple right in front, statue, Buddha statue right in front. So this is the gate from where I'm showing it to you, because the gate is closed. We don't know why, but usually the gate is open every time. The Sheikh is taking all the Instagram pictures. And now we'll go. So you have a lot of monks here who are considered like those people who worship God, Buddha. You get a lot of these people here. They all are here to do some prayers. So now we are in this temple where you have the highest statue of Lord Buddha. As you can see right behind me, this is a 80 feet statue. It's just a single statue surrounded with all the garden. Let me give you a look all over around. Oh, you have this scripted on it. I don't know if camera can catch it or not. So once you enter from this path, then you get this statue right in front of you, and this is the complete statue, as you can see in the meditational pose. So you have to put a coin in this pillar, so there is a hole on the top of it where you have to put the coin and it will go inside, but nobody is able to put any coin in it. See, this man is trying so hard. So you have to walk straight and touch the leg of that god.
और आगे
और आगे और आगे और आगे और आगे.
देखिए थोड़ा सा काप हो गया.
ये change in plan. We didn't return to home directly. We just took a turn to this very famous Vishnupat temple, and I am not allowed to take camera inside this temple, but I am going to attach a picture here. I am going to secretly take a picture and then I am going to attach it here. This is a very famous temple of Lord Vishnu in Gaya, and I always wanted to come here, but today Jiju said that let's go and visit there. I am going inside and I'll attach a picture for you people here. Look at this. This is a watch that tells time according to the movement of sun. So numbering is done here. So the shadow, this one, as the sun rotates, this shadow of this stick rotates like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and all that. So it depends upon the sun rays and everything. This temple is also very famous to perform the rituals for dead people. It is said that if you perform their ritual, finally after coming here in this temple, they get moksha, and you can see behind me all the rituals are being performed. So if you have ever heard that Gaya is famous for performing these kind of ritual of dead people and all, then this is the temple where these people do the rituals and everything. Now we are going to exit this temple and let's see if we can get something, because I don't find anything to shop from here. I did found a Buddha statue in that one, in that temple, but I didn't buy it.